According to the National Electrical Code, the type of cable permissible for concealed wiring in commercial buildings is dependent upon the location and the type of construction. When considering walls and ceilings of offices, showrooms, and parts rooms in a pole shed type building with wood framing and a steel finish, several factors come into play. Metal-clad cable, often referred to as MC cable, is indeed acceptable for concealed wiring in these areas. Its primary advantage lies in the robust protection it offers against physical damage. This characteristic makes it particularly well suited for environments where the wiring might be exposed to potential impacts or abrasions. Furthermore, MC cable is suitable for use in damp or wet locations, enhancing its versatility in a variety of commercial settings. Armored cable, commonly known as AC cable, is another option that meets the requirements for concealed wiring in the described scenario. Similar to MC cable, AC cable provides a substantial level of protection. However, it is important to note that AC cable may come with a higher price tag and might exhibit less flexibility compared to MC cable, factors that should be considered when making a selection. Non-metallic cable, also known as NM cable, is not acceptable for concealed wiring in commercial buildings. NM cable is primarily designed and approved for residential wiring applications. Its construction and protective properties are not adequate for the demands and potential hazards present in a commercial environment. To ensure a safe and compliant installation, several general requirements must be adhered to when dealing with concealed wiring in commercial buildings. Firstly, all cables must be securely fastened to the surface on which they are installed. This prevents the cables from sagging, becoming loose, or being subjected to undue stress. Secondly, cables must be adequately protected from physical damage and moisture. This can be achieved through various means such as conduit, enclosures, or other protective measures. Thirdly, it is imperative that cables are installed in strict accordance with the National Electrical Code, as well as any local codes and regulations that may apply. Compliance with these codes ensures that the electrical system is safe, reliable, and up to industry standards. Based on the NEC requirements and the specific type of construction being discussed, it is recommended to use either MC or AC cable for concealed wiring in the offices, showroom, and parts room. MC cable stands out as a particularly good choice, owing to its durability and inherent resistance to damage. These qualities make it a reliable option for ensuring the long-term integrity and safety of the electrical system in a commercial garage setting. Remember to consult the most recent edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for the most up-to-date requirements and regulations.